Hello everyone, thank you purchased this course on WordPress web hosting business. Now one of the benefit of enroll this course as a member is that we offer you a free lifetime key for WP Ultimo. Now this plugin can go up to $500 for the one-time license key, but if you go with our membership plan, you will get a big discount for it. Plus, you will also get access to others' premium plugin. Okay, let's start by go to cloudway.com to install WordPress multisite. We can start by clicking over here. Since I'm already have an account with them, I will just hit login here. Okay, once we are here, we can simply hit the add server. Cloudway make it so simple for us to install WordPress multisite. Now we can name our application. Okay, we have a few provider over here, but I usually go with DigitalOcean, and I'll go with the smallest size they offer. Pick the closest locations to you. I usually go for the New York one. Okay, we hit launch now. But since I'm already have a couple servers, I'll just hit on application to add an applications under one of the server. Okay, add application. Same thing. We pick the applications, then we name our app. Okay, add application. Okay, once the system finishes creating the application for us, all we have to do is just head over here to find our new install application. Okay guys, I will try to make these videos short and simple for you guys to follow. In the next video, we are going to install domain name and SSL certificate for our WordPress multisite.